How do I stop my mind from wandering during lectures or reading? Imagine sitting in a lecture or reading a book and suddenly your mind drifts away to what you did yesterday or what you need to do later. That's normal, but it can make learning harder. If you want to stay focused, you need to train your brain to pay attention longer. Start by removing distractions around you. Turn off notifications on your phone and find a quiet spot to study or listen to lectures. When your environment is calm, it's easier to concentrate. Next, try to stay actively involved with the material. Take notes as you listen or read. Write down key points or questions that come to mind. Summarize what you just learned in your own words. Asking yourself questions keeps your mind engaged and prevents it from wandering. If you're reading, pause every few pages to think about what you've just read. This helps your brain process and remember the information better. Break your study or lecture time into smaller chunks. For example, focus for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This method, called the Pomodoro technique, helps prevent mental fatigue. When your brain gets tired, it's more likely to drift away. During breaks, stretch or walk around to get your blood flowing. Moving your body resets your focus and makes it easier to return to your work. Building mental stamina is also important. Challenge yourself to focus on difficult topics for short periods. As you get better, increase your focus time gradually. For example, start with 25 minutes and add 5 minutes each week. Reward yourself after completing these focus sessions. For example, enjoy a snack or do something fun. Rewards make it easier to stay motivated. Physical health also affects your attention span. Make sure you get enough sleep each night. Eat balanced meals and drink plenty of water. When you're tired or hungry, your ability to concentrate drops. If you feel your mind wandering, try a quick movement break. Stretch your arms or do a few jumping jacks. This quick activity can clear your head and boost your focus. Sometimes your thoughts will still drift. When that happens, acknowledge the thought without judging yourself. Gently bring your attention back to the lecture or reading. Writing down distracting thoughts to revisit later can help clear your mind. Explaining what you've learned to someone else also keeps your focus sharp. Teaching others makes you process the material more deeply. Remember, improving your attention span takes practice. Use these strategies regularly, and over time, your mind will become better at staying on task. Focus and concentration are skills you can develop with patience and effort. By creating a good environment, staying actively involved, taking breaks, and caring for your body, you can keep your mind from wandering and make learning easier and more effective.